Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This video is how to make money with legendary market affiliate program. Legendary market is a pro- proprietary popular product in the affiliate marketing world. Is training program for online and marketers and the legendary marketers affiliate program in proprietary brands. The main thing I like about it is this: it has servo low ticket product and many high end odds with good commission rates. Let's try to take closer look and do a review and the affiliate program. What is legendary market? What is different from other trading program? Legendary market product. Legendary market affiliate program. How to join affiliate program. Pros and cons to legendary marketer affiliate program. How to make money with legendary marketer affiliate program and summary. What is legendary marketer? To being with likes, tell a letter about the company and its product. The concept legendary marketer is simple. It's the brain child of digital marketing expert, wise, ship and owner, easily training program that helps and builder your owner online business. Divide shippers his a lot experience and its reflected in the claim for legendary marketer release the skill and cutting edge marketer strategies needed to be successful in each and interesting manner to closest parts. It will teach your how to earn is your learn to offer digital course, virtual coaching and live matching events that can investor and building confident your need strength complexion market test. You are learn about the discount and matching of marketing and working as online business is training program. If focus on affiliate marketing, training and addiction to training products to selling digital products of your owner based coaching and consultant. What makes it different from other training programs? Legendary marketer is like a great network online internship affiliate marketer that share how amount and release content and increase and other the value content this product legendary member exchange program the affiliate program plus here are host business plan advertiser let's help you with high-end assets you are make with your owner legend. This easily brought one's important point to note about legendary marketer affiliate program is that your income will become from the people you refers and not from the people the referral and signing level affiliate program will everyone target icon same similar to this its time legendary market product these are these are a lot different products to promote as a legendary marketer affiliate anyone who know me now I learned that here are just some but not all of the product legendary market is to offer 15 days challenge. This low tracketer product costs just $7. It guides your building your affiliate business. The program increase video training, quizzes, calls with mentors, and agreements on daily basis towards to end the 15 days you are reading to start affiliate business to equate with email products and other claiming staff the legendary market this often training traffic reload boxing bundle teaching about driving traffic to a successful fill page affiliate marketing business below paint this high trading product cost 55,000 and Procter family on legendary market product but training can expert you any affiliate option you have digital product business valuing point is one factor on creating digital content such audios difficult product and members choosing and constant business will point here your experience and I know are what you are said concert cost legendary market event master in this you will learn how to cost event first one legendary market affiliate basic pro affiliate program they are not level affiliate program offered by legendary market the basic free at the commission are lower than the pro that's cost 29.95 dollars month very have access of tools and access high payouts. Once you are locked in paying referral you will get the briefed of your getting commission on any factor event transaction the referral makers basic affiliate gets 10% commission to up to 30% commission on any product purchased by referral while the pro affiliates earn 30% to 60% commission same of the factor you will get legendary market affiliate both basic pro increase any world program access to customer retail tool customer finances manager and tracking leader and customer and economy system commission defect between the two programs pro affiliate also getting following factor advanced affiliate training earning international payment of income interrogating your owner how to join the affiliate program any who are joining the legendary marketer affiliate program to first complete the application process the program does not accept revenue like most other affiliate programs online we will complete the 5 of business training that less than 15 days you can apply from program event the business accepted admittedly you can have purchased the business journal up to 2,050 $100 this latter option accepted without completing the I some like would strictly to target telling is anyone watching because part the program getting formula with training progress section selected with virtual with mission and product so can between promote them low cost product to purchase before applying it. I always struggle blind to product before you can some promote it easy some of low cost products such increase guide ebook business builder challenge copyrighted playbook and 5-second free ladder and get a top up speed so that legendary market is all about before applying each track. Each of these products costs less than $10. Link to apply. Here's link to apply legendary market affiliate program pro limit benefits low commission affiliate option. Click on apply under basic from maximum tools apply payout option. Click back applied under pro following the question application progress. You can get access these tools versus affiliate at location the referral to access back often system. The progress is blocked and some content blocked content. Pros all acceptance of digital marketing cost and training marketing devising traffic costing concentrate and selling your own digital product to the pro plan has high commission of up to 60%. You will get supported from personal post guide you can and easy your each track promoting low cost is ebook is promotes in affiliate commission high is 1k dollars with higher product purchase later access Facebook group communication marketing and who supplier and eager online virtual if like movement 50 days minutes challenge is great one protein your reference becomes your reader follower the affiliate broker and traffic directly disagree about customer care to refer the marketer club is weekly webinar reply. This video is like subscribe my channel for latest mission update. Thanks for watching.